Guys, let's get ready to go in Target to look at their $1, $3, and $5 spot. I heard they got new stuff. Let's go over here and check it out. I was trying to figure out what they was, and we don't know what the heck they are. Me and my son don't. We're just looking to see what they are. And then here, this is play sand in each one of these right here. And then you got paint. And so these are for Valentine's Day for kids, which is really cute. Look at those wall plays, the gel cleans. What's those? Those are gel clean. You got socks. Oh, what's that? What is that? Yoga mat spray. Okay, I heard of that too before. Okay, we need that. And this $5. A weighted jump rope. Oh, I want one of these. A weighted jump rope. Oh, look at the dish towels. They coming out with spring colors. I can't wait. I'm so tired of this weather already. And these are $5. Spring towels. And look at the colors. Pink. Let's see. They got Let's Begin puzzles out right here. The puzzles are $3. Everybody coming out with these little boxes. And here's another one. Look at that. That's a mini puzzle in there also. These is $3. My kids might get one of those. Then what is that? Statue of Liberty 3D model. Oh, look, Isaiah. 3D model. So this is what you do. You stack everything. It's a 3D. And here is a space shuttle. Here's a space shuttle. So here's some more Valentine's Day stuff. Look, Silly Dough is in those. Silly Dough. Then you got the little Valentine's Day animals. And then what's these? I don't know what that is. What is that? It's a wooden food count puzzle. Okay. So look, you got a flip pad. Oh, okay. You write stuff on it. Those are $3. And then that's nice too. Look at a little. I think that's supposed to be just a character plant. Okay, they got the erasers, the unicorn eraser. Oh, look at what they got. And they made in 3D. And they got cars. So, let's go over and see what else they have over here. What's this? They got cleansing wipes. You probably could take these to work out with. And then, what else they got? Cable clips. Yeah, these to see all your cables. And then they got magnetic cord holders. Oh, that's what I need. How much? $3? I don't want to pay $3 for that. And then they got a cable clamp. They got stereo earbuds, a carrying pouch case. That's cute too. Wireless earbud case, count one. And that's $3, guys. That's cute. Instead of get that, now they get fancy because here's one with a hamburger on it. And here's one that's a pizza. Okay, here's a charge up to 3 devices at one time. This $5. I think I bought this for somebody for Christmas and it was like $2 at the time. And then here is the 3-in-1 charging cable. I did get those, and they were at Menards for $2. A headphone cleaning essential kit right here. Oh, okay, look at that. You do need that because them headphones be filthy. And this is tech gear. You can put these on your cords and phones and stuff. That's cute too. Here's some more wireless phone headbuds. Now this is all in this $3 section, guys. This the $1, $3, and $5 section. Here's some cleansing cloths. And what are they? Include hook and empty 2-milliliter spray bottle. Also, you stick the spray bottle in there and hold it. Okay, and you cleanse it. So that's how it works like that. But you stick the spray bottle in it. Okay. Charge and listen at phone. Oh, so you could charge up your phone and listen at the same time. I need this. I need it right here. I'm gonna get this. Okay, here we got another box. It's just a goodie box. It don't have nothing in it. And then here's some baskets. You can start decorating offices with. And then you got these bags. I call them sit-up bags, but they got wires right here, guys. That's a good one right there. Wire bins right here. Okay, are these the ones that attach? 4 count. I don't think they attach though. I had ones that attach. Okay, these is little mini bottles. I guess you can find something to put into them. They look almost like pill bottles. Here's another color mini bottles. Had magnetic list pad. That is something I need right there. Yep, right there. I need that. Oh, they done came out. Here's one Isaiah mask holder. This for your mask to put this in. Okay, so they got a mask. What's this? This a packable cup. Oh, look, a packable cup. You pop it open and put the water in it. Okay, reusable straw. Straw, here it is right here, and they're $1. They got them in green and yellow. There's the mask right there, the silicone mask. And then there's the mask for $3. They even got the lantern spring for whatever you want to have, clips. Let's see. What's this? Adjustable mask extender, make your mask bigger. A hands-free tool Some kind of tool plus that. Okay. Oh, here, a bag hand. Now this is perfect right here. Because these are, clip all your grocery bags to them and then get them. That's what this is. It's a lint brush. This is all in this $3 section, guys. A lot of stuff over here. Let's see. And what is that? That is a silicone bag handle again. How do you use it? I don't know. I guess you stick the bags on this little clamp. I think I'm going to grab me a bag handle. Okay, note card with envelopes. If you have it, then you know it's probably wine. Better than the text any day. It's exactly what you wanted. Oh, it's a wine bag. Oh, so they got all the little bags. Oh, these boxes. I used to buy these all the time for magazines. Here is some more everything you'll get done notepads. Then you have the little reusable zipper bags, which is, to me, is fantastic. I was talking about these. See, these is masks. You put your mask in them. They're coming out with everything. Storage trays up in here. Okay, what's this? Mini chalkboard easel. That's cute. And what is this? A journal. And it's $3. DIY journal. Oh, you do everything. You put it together yourself. That's cute. Okay, bags. You could practically write what you want on them. I'm sure those are decorate your own bags. And here is a crafting tool set. That's cute. Now you could use this for a cry cut machine, because here's some of the tools you need in here. Metallic markers. I got some of those. So those are $1 if you want this. Oh, look, a ceramic dish right here, $1. Look, guys, an embroidery kit. Oh my God, I never liked that, but I used to watch people do it. I thought it was so pretty. And then here's some stencil brush designs. These are stencils. The brushes with it. And here's a pink set. They got such nice craft. And then these are glass jars. One jar with the stickers. So whatever you want to buy is $3, but they come cheaper. Look at that, so cute. They got the acrylic paint in here. That's $1. So you got all kind of acrylic paints right here. This say imagine. I swear to God, I was trying to figure out what it said, guys. It say imagine. This say explore. See, with my kids, I need that to say one word. I can't have them not saying the whole word. And that say adventure. But I had to figure out, so that I know that wouldn't be easy for them. Then you got all of this wood and stuff is coming back. Picture frame and artwork. That's cute. Guys, this section is hidden. Look at these. $3 for, what are these little things? They just like weights. Here's a unicorn. Wall hooks. Wall hooks. 4 hooks and 4 anchors. I don't know how it's supposed to hook though. How do it supposed to hook? Oh, they just stick out the wall. Okay. This is a banner. A 1-count wood clip banner. Oh, look at this banner. What about this? That's really, I like that. Then you got another banner that say, look what I made. But it's clips on it. Oh, look at that. I like that too. All these are $3, guys. These are candles. $3. They got names on them. Vanilla bean. By the sea. Okay, so far it's vanilla bean and by the sea. And this is a pen organizer. All of this little organizers here. That's how it look right there. And you unzip it, so I guess it goes that way. And here's a file kit, file folders called Get Things Done. That's another good thing to put out to get. And then here's one, Make It Happen. And what is this? This a journal? This is a journal. See, they got new journals out now. Reusable cup, count 3. So I guess you just take those along with you with the straws. The straws there, and these are the cups that come with it. Okay, this is a makeup organizer. I wish I would have knew that. I would grab it for my daughter. Makeup organizer. My makeup just threw in a bag. Okay, and here is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. A chalkboard. You can write what you need on there. Okay, it's travel time. So look at the travel bottle kit. Now they silicone, so you can smash them. That's a good idea. I know I need those. There go the tops right there. I need something like this to travel with. And here's a random stuff pouch. Random stuff. Oh, that's cute. My random stuff go in there. That's cute because you can put coupons in there. You know, y'all know I'm a couponer. Then here's Escape the Ordinary. Oh, wow. And what is that? This is it's a tote bag, guys. My son, you know, he said, look at the tag. He trying to be smart, but somebody took it out the bag. So this is how it looks. It always seems impossible until it's done. Look at that. Oh, that's a tote bag. I actually like that. And that is actually $3. But this right here I like. I think I'm gonna grab it. Okay guys, so that'll be it for me today at the dollar spot in Target. Make sure you guys hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. You're gonna see some couple of things different on my channel, guys, but just bear with me until February. Bear with me, okay? And look at that. Once Upon a Time. Oh my God, and they $5. That is so pretty. Thanks guys for tuning in. Bye.